Hey guys, it's our second day here in Hanoi. And for today guys, we are going on a whole day tour to Halong Bay.
Book our ticket guys through Klook.
Yes, let's go.
So we're outside on our Airbnb. So naghihintay kami na driver namin kasi may free pick up sila. Time check, it's almost 8 na. Pero nag-message na yung driver. Baka coming na siya.
So guys, grab na lang kami papuntang Opera House kasi nag-message yung tour guide na hindi pala makakapunta yung bus doon sa hotel namin. So pag outside Old Quarter kasi yung meet-up place is the Hanoi Opera House. So papunta na kami doon. Guys, andito na kami sa loob ng bus. So, itong Halong Bay tour will really take the whole day. Tapos, from Hanoi, mga 2.5 hours to 3 hours yung drive.
Hanoi, very crowded. But today,
Maganda yung bus namin kasi ano siya, limousine bus. Parang sa mga VIP. So comfy.
Again guys, we booked this tour through Klook. So, lalagay ko yung price below. Yun yung usual na mabubook nyo talaga pag sa Halong Bay tour. Day tour guys. So, whole day talaga siya. It's now almost 9. Oo. Tapos,
Sabi niya mga 3 hours.
mga 3 hours daw yung papunta. So, 6 hours lahat yung travel time. Medyo malayo talaga siya. So, yung first stop natin guys for this tour is the Pearl Farm. But there's not much to do. Parang pinakitaan lang kami ng mga oysters at ng mga pearls.
Process nila kung paano nila
Gawin.
binibenta or gawin.
Yes. Tapos, yun. Para siyang mall. Mini mall. Yung exit may mga bilihan ng kung ano-ano. So, nag-aantay na lang kami ng mga kasama namin at yung tour guide for our next stop.
I'm excited for our buffet
Yes,
lunch.
it's almost 12 PM na din guys. Umabot talaga siya ng mga 2.5 to 3 hours. So, nakatulog naman kami dun sa bus. Dito na tayo guys. Dito tayo sasakay ng boat for the Halong Bay Cruise. Medyo crowded nga siya, sabi ng tour guide namin.
Guys, so andito na kami sa port. So while waiting sa aming guide kasi bumibili pa siya ng ticket, nag-apply kami ng insect repellent ba? Insect repellent spray. Binili pa namin to sa Thailand guys. Kasi pupunta tayo sa dagat tapos may pupuntahan kami mamaya na cave. So para iwas ng sa mga lamok. Excited to eat guys. May buffet lunch kami sa cruise namin mamaya. Gutom na. It's almost 12 o'clock na guys.
Hindi pa kami nag-breakfast guys.
So yung cruise namin is may free lunch buffet tsaka may snacks na din. Kasi whole day talaga yung tour na ito. So babalik kami ng Hanoi baka late night na.
Excited.
Itong Halong Bay guys is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Sabi ng tour guide namin.
Tapos, yung mga limestone niya, parang mako-compare mo sa El Nido or sa Coron, ganyan. Pero nakikita ko lang siya sa books, guys.
Ngayon, andito na kami.
Guys, finally,
Tapos na bumili ng ticket.
yes, yung guide namin. And, papunta na kami dun sa boat. Sobrang gutom na, guys. It's already past 12 na. Hindi pa kami nakapag-breakfast. Ito guys, papasok na tayo.
Welcome, welcome food.
This is the boat.
How do you say welcome in Vietnamese? How do you say in Vietnamese? Welcome.
We have 6 for the one here.
Inside the boat na, and
So now let's go to Halong Bay, everybody. Are you ready?
we have a lunch
Let's go.
buffet na.
All right. Now,
Guys, kain muna kami ng lunch while sailing to Halong Bay. Guys, we are cruising along Halong Bay. This is our boat, and ito yung mga limestone. Yan. It's almost similar sa Coron and El Nido. I think mas maganda kasi yung color ng water natin, guys, compared dito sa Halong. So guys, mga 2 minutes na lang daw, magda-dock na kami. And yung first stop namin is yung cave. So bibigyan kami ng 45 minutes daw. And there's no other way but to go through the cave. So kailangan talaga natin dumaan doon sa cave. Okay, so mag-hike tayo, lalakad tayo. And crowded daw. Oh. Taas niya pala, guys, oh. Hanggang dun yung aakyatin. From there. Paganyan. Guys, we decided na wag na lang sumama papunta dun sa surprise cave kasi ang taas niya, tapos sobrang daming tao, and I think hindi namin ma-enjoy ni MM. Pero yung sister ko si Linlin, since first time niya nga, so sumama siya dun sa group. Kami lang ni MM yung hindi sumama. So andito lang kami nagstay sa 3rd floor ng boat namin kasi presko dito. So guys, may option naman ha, pag ayaw nyong sumama dun sa cave, pwede kayong magpaiwan, just like us. Yam, how's the food sa buffet?
5/10. French fries naman ako na-enjoy dito. The rest wala. Ang mango shake is tatabang. Then yun lang. Pero okay naman for the experience.
So again guys, this is the Halong Bay cruise. At itong Halong Bay guys, yung pinaka highlight is their limestones. Ito yung mga makikita natin. Pero actually guys, yun sinabi ko kanina, makikita din natin to sa atin sa Coron and sa El Nido. Guys, mga after 40 minutes na kabalik naman yung sister ko ng safe.
Yeah.
Ito yung mango guys, tag 50. Ang weird ng kanilang ano. Para siyang salt na may sugar din. Guys, we were given 2 choices. One is the speedboat and the other one is the bamboo kayak for the next activity. So yung pinili namin guys is the bamboo kayak, which costs around 50,000 dong per person. Yeah. Yung speedboat naman is 300k per person. So doon lang tayo sa mura. Guys, grabe talaga dito sa Vietnam. Kasi kahit na yung mga boat siksikan talaga. Nababangga lang yung boat namin pero parang wala lang sa kanila. Kahit na yung sa mga motorcycle, wala masyadong space. Ayan. Bumaba na kami guys for the next activity which is the bamboo kayak. Sobrang daming tao guys. Yung iba naka-life vest na sila. For the experience. Daming tao.
Cheaper man siya doon.
50k lang.
Kanila 50k daw ang flight.
Guys, ang gulo-gulo to.
Magsagutaan niyo.
Guys, ang daming tao. As in, GGB. Guys, kumusta yung color ng life jacket? No choice. Guys, ito pala yung activity na para magkakayak tapos papasok ng cave. No? Ito yun. Ito pala yun.
Everyone is wearing the color. Life jacket.
Ang buti ko sure sa life jacket. Hindi ako sure.
Brown.
Apoy na ning activity. Already saglag. Guys, we are done with the activity. Yan yung bamboo kayak. So guys, so far na-enjoy naman namin yung bamboo kayak. Yeah, for the experience, mga 20 minutes na dun sa boat. Tapos may magro-row naman, dadalhin tayo dun sa lagoon. Oo. Tapos iikot lang sandali, tapos balik na din. Lynn, how's the experience?
Carry lang. Okay lang siya. For a first jacket. Color brown. Buti na lang, sinisipon ako kasi hindi ko ma-describe yung smell. Yung color lang.
Yan, yung life vest lang talaga guys, it's not giving.
Yeah, kasi guys, after nyo gamitin, parang may lang siya, lalagyan na nakatambak na dun lahat ng mga
Tapos yung next, kukunin lang din. Guys, ito yung next stop natin. T-Top Beach. Pwede daw maligo dito. Pero syempre, magpipicture-picture lang tayo dito. Ha? Ang daming tao. Oh my God. As in, sobrang daming tao, guys. Ayan si Mr. T-Top. So, itong island guys na T-Top ay named after him. Si Mr. T-Top. Ito na yung T-Top Beach. Oo. So in fairness guys, may mga naliligo talaga. Pero kami dito, picture-picture lang. Nag-take pictures na kami sandali dun sa beach, tapos balik na kami dun sa boat namin kasi namadami talaga yung tao. As in, sobrang daming tao.
We're almost done na sa aming tour. So, may isang stop pa kami Then after that, we'll go back to the port. Then balik na naman ng Hanoi. So magti-take naman ng mga 3 hours or depende baka traffic daw. No. Okay. Guys, early kaming magdating doon. So, baka magko-coffee pa kami. Gusto namin matry yung egg coffee ng Cafe Gyang. So, they will close mga around 10 p.m. siguro. So, we're hoping na sana before 10 p.m. dadating na kami doon sa Hanoi. So, about the tour, guys, it's very sulit for the experience. Kasi hindi naman natin everyday makikita yung ganito na view. So sulit siya, guys. Yung food medyo para lang sa amin baka nasa mga 6/10.
Yeah, ganun.
Then yung free lang dito sa buffet, guys, is the food. So yung drinks kailangan yung bilhin. Pero for the price, it's okay naman. Hindi siya gaano kamahal. So we just paid around 345 dong sa drinks naming 3. So marami na kaming nainom dyan, guys. So sulit naman. How about you? Kumusta yung experience mo sa Halong Day Tour?
So far, sulit naman, guys, for the price. Pala, guys, sa Klook namin to na book yung whole day tour dito sa Halong Bay.
So guys, if you have enough time dito sa Hanoi, so include nyo yung Halong Bay.
Para ma-experience
yun. Kasi marami
din naman ng limestones nila dito.
Ang mapupuntahan namin na part ng Vietnam is yung Hanoi, Halong Bay, tsaka yung Sapa. So tomorrow may biyahe kami sa Sapa. So
Guys, it's now 8 p.m. and we are back early here in Hanoi. Sabi ng guide namin, lucky kami today because it's not too traffic. Kaya nakabalik kami ng early from Halong Bay. So minsan daw mga 9 p.m. na sila nakakarating. So nagpa-drop off kami, guys, dito sa Old Quarter. Tapos dito na lang kami maghahanap ng for dinner. So we're now walking here. Medyo gutom na kami, guys. Kasi hindi kami nag-snacks. Ayun, yun lang yung kanina dun sa sa boat. Guys, we're now here sa Bun Chata. Dito lang sa Old Quarter. Medyo gutom na. And after this, guys, we are excited kasi pupunta na kami ng Cafe Gyang to try the egg coffee. So, malapit lang naman dito. Mga 90 meters lang according sa Google Maps. So, after this dinner, diretso na kami doon. So, ito yung mga person. Gutom na yan sila. We're currently at the second floor of Bun Chata. Marami pa rin kumakain dito, guys, kahit na it's almost 9 p.m. So we ordered 2, yung Bun Chata full option at isang Bun Chata na may extra spring roll. Medyo madami kasi, guys, yung isang set pa lang nila. So 2 orders lang yung kinuha namin. Ito na yung order namin, guys. Ito yung grilled pork. Tapos ito yung spring roll. Tapos ito yung kanilang vermicelli. Yun yung nagsisilbing parang rice dito.
It's a very different experience. I'm glad that I tried it. It's one shot. It's like Hanoi.
Guys, masarap yung spring roll. Masarap din yung pork. Malasa siya. Grilled pork siya actually na may soup.
Ask this question that I really love. I steal from him all the time.
Sorry, I have no clue how to eat properly. I really don't eat properly.
I feel like we're too developed. Or a piece of chicken with bones. That's the whole point. When do you really get alive? It's like, what?
Guys, we're done with our dinner. dun sa Bunchata. Masarap yung food, guys. Yung grilled pork, malasa. Yung spring roll nila, malasa. Medyo maliit lang yung place. Pero, carry naman. Sarapan kami. We are going to our last stop of the day. Pupunta kami ng Cafe Gyang, guys, to try their egg coffee. So, first time pa namin, guys, magta-try ng egg coffee. So, ngayon pa lang kasi kami nagka-time na pumunta dun sa Cafe Gyang. Kahapon, nakadalawang balik kami dun sa Kong Cafe. So, ngayon naman, Cafe Gyang yung pupuntahan natin. Excited na kami, guys, for the egg coffee.
Yes, yes, yes.
Guys, close na pala yung Cafe Gyang. Kaya nag-transfer na lang kami dito sa katabi niya. Vian. Ino nila, guys, yung Cafe Trung. Yun yung egg coffee. 45k siya. Nakaupo na kami sa kanilang maliliit na chair. So far, kinaya naman. Tingnan natin kung bibigay mamaya. This is the egg coffee, guys. I ordered hot while si MM and si Linlin iced yung in-order nila.
Dapat mag-anak ka.
Ano yung...
Sa Cafe Gyang na. I got the ice.
The egg coffee, guys, it's not for me.
It's not for you also? It's not for me, guys, yung egg coffee. Parang feeling ko malansa. Iwan ko lang. Or baka, I don't know. Carry lang. Okay lang siya for me. Pero mas bet ang coconut, no? Yes. Mas bet namin yung coconut coffee, guys, compared sa egg coffee. For me, parang
Siya cream brulee.
ewan ko, basta nalalansahan ako sa egg. Hindi ko feel yung taste na coffee mixed with egg. Para sa akin lang.
Guys, we were supposed to go to Kong Cafe pero nakita namin tong Che Ngon 93. Sikat ito siya na dessert shop. So, tinry muna namin. See, order na yan. Mango served with ice cream. Ito yung mga dessert options nila, guys. Ang dami actually. Meron pa. Nakita ko to siya na shop kay Jan and Ann na vlog.
Ako dagang makakita na yung
At our orders, guys, mango with yogurt. Kay MM is mango served with ice cream and then mine is coconut beams. Sarap tingnan. Ay, oh. Guys, we stumbled upon a night market near lang ni sa Juan Kim Lake. Guys, we stumbled upon a night market and wala lang, nagtitingin-tingin lang kami tapos nakabili kami ng belt.
Bumili kami ng
Ang
belt
mahal.
kasi naiwan namin yung belt namin sa Pinang.
Oo, tapos yung vendor 300k per belt. Pero na ano namin siya ng 150. Ang mahal.
So please support our YouTube channel, M. Angel Vlogs. Then gusto namin na at least makatulong kami sa inyo.
Travel guide.
Yes, travel guide. Yes. So see you on our next channel. Bye-bye.